Your furnace blower keeps running because the system is receiving a persistent signal or sensing a condition that tells the fan to stay on. Most commonly, the fan is being driven by a control input or a safety sensor that remains closed. Start by checking the thermostat fan setting and wiring at the thermostat and furnace to ensure the fan is not being commanded on by a continuous fan call. Next, inspect the fan limit control or electronic fan control on the furnace. Verify the cutout and Kuten temperatures and adjust only if you understand the manufacturer's specifications, since incorrect changes can cause overheating. Test safety sensors such as the high Heat Plenum Switch and the flame rollout switch by observing their state with the furnace off and cool and then during a controlled run. These are normally closed and will open on overtemperature or unsafe conditions, but a failed sensor can stick closed or short and force continuous blower operation. Verify the low-pressure gas switch or venting pressure switch, which can affect sequencing and sometimes latch the blower if it is detecting an unsafe vent condition. Confirm venting paths are clear and check the tubing and connections for blockages or leaks. Finally, inspect the relay on the control board and any blower motor relays or contactors. A welded or stuck relay can supply constant power to the fan and should be replaced when defective. Homeowners often misdiagnose this as a thermostat issue when the thermostat is simply set to fan on, so always rule out the simple setting first. Another frequent problem is a stuck relay or control board relay that looks fine but is electrically closed, and the short answer is to replace the relay or board after confirming with a multimeter. Third common error is ignoring safety switches and venting problems, which can cause the system to keep the blower running for a perceived safety condition. Inspect and clean venting, then test or replace the affected sensor. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who can diagnose and repair HVAC issues like continuous blower operation and to help contractors find new work opportunities. On our site, we also host a discussion community where we and other members share troubleshooting tips, local experiences, and recommended next steps.